All right, let's move into the round. And we begin in 3, 2, 1. And all the robots lowered down as we see all of the Riddle lines clunk down as 267 stays still. However, the partner 1065 is roaming around. And Valley Catholic manages to put their marker into their depot, but does not manage to disturb the gold mineral. And they do toss themselves into the crater, earning a little bit of extra points. And with 5 seconds left in the autonomous period, we're about to move into teleop.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we move into the teleop period as team 1056-5 tries to get rid of their marker so they can reach into the crater. Team 267 tries to push their golden mineral inside of their depot. Team 1452-7 tries to reach into their crater, grab the minerals along with their teammate Valley Catholic to put it into their lander. Team 267 finally managing to get their gold mineral inside of their depot. Team 1056-5 depositing a gold mineral into their cache. Team 1155-6 Valley Catholic about to put their first gold mineral inside of their lander with success as they get a pair of gold minerals inside of the bucket. Team 1056-5 trying to reach over and dunk on their teammate as team 1452-7 seems to be stuck inside of their crater, just rolling around in all of the unscorable points. And team 10565 seems to be reaching in for another dip as they go and reach, as they try to deposit. Oh, and they shoot and they score, going right over the silver mineral deposit to land inside of the gold. Whoa. And it seems we have, and on the blue team we have 1155-6 managing to get some of the minerals inside of the lander. As we move into the end game with less than 30 seconds left, the teams have to now try to hang themselves back onto the lander, or they can choose to try to score more minerals as team 1452-7 tries to escape the crater with limited success. Can they do it? 10 seconds left. Let's hear it for team 1452-7. It doesn't look like they're going to be able to make it in time, as that is the end. And it seems that we have the results from Qualification 16 with Blue Alliance as the winner with 169 points.